And look what came in the mail today. Yay! So excited to open it. Let's see what's inside. So many goodies. Yes. So many awesome things inside here. Okay, let's see. So we got the Rescue and Renew Detox Face Mask. Awesome. We got the herbal tea. Oh my god, I've been drinking this every single night. It's so good. Ah, yes. Daily fiber boost. Awesome. I can start mixing this in with my snacks. And a 7-day body cleanse. Can't wait to start using this so I can have 7 days and clear out my system. This is going to be really good for jump-starting everything. Also got the protein snack bars. I had one of them today. The cranberry pumpkin seed ones are delicious. So happy I had some more now. And we have the sample pack of the Calm line from Arbonne, also the skincare line. So excited to try some of these out too, and I have some people that I'm going to make some samples for also. We got some protein shake here, some more. It's so good. I'm going to try and do one with berries this week too. It's so delicious. Let's see what else is here. More fizz sticks, because these are life. Like, come on. You cannot go wrong with the energy fizz sticks. We got some protein shakers. Wonderful. The one I've been using is super large, so this is going to make it a lot easier to be able to do things. And the last but not least, the Fit Shoes. I am so excited to try these finally. Hopefully it's going to help me curb my sweet craving that I have at night.
to stay, a life we knew would come one day. And this is it, the borderline to where the future leaves us behind. The fire